Hi guys, nice to see you again. Yes, wish you have a nice day. Today, in this video, I will show you one of the most important thing. Yes, in order to check your car engine to run smoothly. Yes, it is the compression test. Yes, with this kit, you can check your compression of all of your engine. Yes, and with this check you can ensure that the status of your engine, the health of it. Yes. And I will show you how to do compression test on a Honda in this video. Okay, let us show you. This is the compression test kit. Yes, we have a pressure go. Yes, we will use this to measure the compression. And then this is the connector. Yes, you can see the connector. One, this side to the go, and this side to the spark plug hole. Yes, this is the connector. And then we have 4 adapter because we have so many size of spark plug thread. Yes, small, bigger, and the biggest. Yes, I will show you. And in the Honda, yes, we use this adapter. Yes, we will connect to this. You can see. Yes, you can see I will connect to this adapter. Yes, you can see here. Yes, already connected. Okay, and beside we also have some hose here. Yes, but in this video we do not use this. Yes, this can connect to the go like this. Yes, okay, but in this test we do not use this. Okay, yes. And then the next thing I will show you is that this is the spark plug remover. We have to remove all the 4 spark plugs. And this is the screwdriver. Okay, and the next thing is that oil, engine oil. We have to measure the compression in 2 cases. The first is dry, with no engine oil in the cylinder, and the next is wet, with a spoon of engine oil in the cylinder. Okay, and the next is that a pen and a paper that record our compression test like this. We have 4 cylinder, 1, 2, 3, 4, and we will have two cases, dry and wet. Okay, yes, this is all what we prepare for compression test. Okay, now let's start. Yes, this is the 1992 Honda Accord, and you can do compression test as any other vehicle like this. Okay, compression test. The first thing is that we will remove all the 4 spark plug. 1, 2, 3, 4. Yes, 4 spark plug. Yes, you can see I use the tool to remove the spark plug. Okay, let I take a towel to not scratch the cash paint. Okay, and we can use the spark plug cap to take it out. Here, one, you can see. Yes, this is the spark plug. Okay. Number 2. Okay. Yes, after remove the spark plug, you can take it out like this. Yes, use the device and put it out like this. Okay, the second, and then the third, and then the third. Okay. The third. Okay. The third spark plug. You can see. Actually, when we examine the spark plug carefully, we can know that how our engine is, how is it held. Yes, we can see that with the color of the spark plug. Okay, number 4 already. Yes, we have here 4 already been out. Okay, next thing we will remove the ignition system here, because we do not want the engine to run to ignite. Yes, to burn the fuel. Okay, we remove this. Yes, okay, let I show you detail